Hello, welcome to Empress Recipes. Do you know if you get lemon juice, honey, black pepper, and you pour in warm water and you give this a very good thorough mix, you just made yourself a very good syrup that helps to treat inflammation. So if you have cold, catarrh, cough, and sore throat, this is very suitable for you. Adults can take this, and also children can take it. All you'll be doing is taking this 3 times daily, yes, for the next 3 to 4 days, and with time you see all those bacteria going off. Thank you for watching. Remember, health is wealth.